Today we're taking a look at the Mullen Automotive stock, ticker symbol MULN, in anticipation of the upcoming Tuesday, June 20, 2023 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start: if you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. Let's first begin with a brief overview and analysis of the stock in a general sense, and then following that, we will delve deeper into the stock's specific performance and action, focusing primarily on the upcoming trading day. On Friday, June 16, 2023, the Mullen Automotive stock commenced trading at $0.2775 and concluded at $0.229. Throughout the day, the stock price fell down by 12.46%, fluctuating from $0.2616 to $0.2290. Trading activity saw 290.6 million shares exchanged, equivalent to approximately $66 million. The stock experienced a trading range between 22 cents as the lowest point and $0.3049 as the highest point on the last trading day. Notably, this stock's 52-week high stands at $42.75, while its 52-week low rests at 20 cents. When compared to the previous trading day, there were 97 million fewer shares traded, which can be considered to be a good sign as the stock price fell down. Considering its risk level, this stock is categorized as out of control, carrying a quite high chance of distress. You should also know that this stock hyperactively responds to the market. Insiders of Mullen Automotive demonstrate a positive stance by purchasing a greater number of shares compared to their sales. Over the last 100 trades, there were 169.7 million shares bought and 62.7 million shares sold. The most recent trade took place 104 days ago, with Bragato Chester A not acquiring any shares. The substantial volume of shares bought, surpassing the number of shares sold, suggests that insiders perceive a potential upside in the company. It's worth noting that in certain instances, larger purchases may be influenced by the expiration date of stock options. Both the short-term and long-term moving averages indicate a sell signal for MULN, which contributes to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals further confirms a general sell signal, as the long-term average sits higher than the short-term average. You should also know that when the stock price surpasses the long-term average, it triggers a buy signal, indicating a favorable outlook. Conversely, if the stock price falls below the short-term average, it generates a sell signal, suggesting a less favorable outlook. The MULN stock has a mild bullish 3-day candlestick pattern with extreme 3-day accumulation. In addition to that, there was an extreme bearish 1-day money flow on the stock, and on a strong extreme pullback is considered bullish. There are no major emerging candlestick patterns on the chart as of the making of this video. Considering the overall short-term trend, the MULN stock is likely to witness a slight recovery and price increase on the next trading day. However, due to the prevailing bearish momentum and recent news, the extent of that rebound is expected to be very limited. As of the last trading day, the most recent daily candle on the chart is red. This indicates that the sellers, or in other words, the bears, dominated the trading session. The session was predominantly bearish, characterized by a trading volume of 290.6 million. This volume is 86% higher compared to the average volume typically observed for Mullen Automotive, which stands at 40.5 million. The stock is currently trading within the lower range of yearly prices. Mullen Automotive is trading below its 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. This is a bad sign for the stock's trend. Now moving on to the daily technical side of things, this is what we can conclude. The average true range indicator is showing less volatility. The ultimate oscillator, relative strength index, stochastic, average directional index, and Williams percent range indicators are showing oversold. While the MACD, commodity channel index, and rate of change indicators are negative. At present, multiple technical indicators are aligning towards a negative signal, indicating a sell for the stock. However, it's important to recognize that relying solely on these technical indicators may not yield substantial outcomes. Let's now delve into the analysis and prediction of Mullen Automotive's price movement for the upcoming trading day, Tuesday, June 20, 2023. Bear in mind that if the stock price is below $0.2512, there is a higher likelihood of a downside potential. Conversely, if the stock price is trading above $0.2512, the possibility of an upside movement is higher. Based on the closing price of the last trading day, the current pivot point for this stock is located at the $0.2512 level. Additionally, it has support at the $0.225 and $0.219 levels and resistance at the $0.262 and $0.2827 levels. Now, I will outline a few potential Mullen Automotive stock trades for the upcoming trading day, 2 bullish trades and 2 bearish trades. Feel free to explore other similar trades based on the information provided in this video thus far, depending on your bullish or bearish sentiment towards this stock. Remember that when a support level is breached, it often transforms into a resistance level. Similarly, when a resistance level is surpassed, it tends to act as a support level. For the bullish trade, consider opening a long position if within the first 30 minutes of trading, the stock continues to respect the $0.225 level as a support. Aim to enter the trade as close as possible to that support level, keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bulls, if you're looking to trade Mullen Automotive, then you're obviously looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bullish trade would be starting to do so somewhere near the resistance level of $0.262. The second bullish trade involves monitoring whether the $0.262 resistance level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a support level for a considerable period. This scenario suggests a short-term bullish outlook, and in this case, consider taking a long position as close as possible to the new $0.262 support level. When it comes to taking profits on this second bullish trade, consider doing so around the next resistance level of $0.2827. It is advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock progresses, rather than closing it entirely in one go. Incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. Now, for the bearish trade, if the stock continues to respect the $0.262 level as a resistance after at least 30 minutes of the market opening, it may be suitable for opening or adding to a short trade position near that resistance level. Keep in mind that this would be short-term trade. Now bears, if you're looking to trade Mullen Automotive, then you're obviously going to be looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bearish trade would be starting to do so somewhere around the $0.225 support level. In the second bearish trade, monitor if the $0.225 support level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a resistance level for a substantial duration. This scenario implies a short-term bearish outlook. In this case, consider taking a short trade position as close as possible to the new $0.225 resistance level. For taking profits on the second bearish trade, consider doing so around the next support level of $0.219. It is also advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock moves, rather than closing it entirely all at once. As mentioned previously, incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. I want to emphasize the importance of taking profits near the target levels provided for all these trades, as it is crucial for ensuring profitability. These trades are short-term with a high probability of profit, and when executed correctly, they can accumulate significant gains. Remember to implement this strategy effectively to maximize your results. Whether you choose to adopt a bullish, bearish, or even a combination of both approaches for this stock, I wish you the best of luck with your trades. We value your feedback and encourage you to share your thoughts on this analysis. Feel free to leave a comment below and let us know your perspective. That's all for now, so if you have any other stocks you'd like analyzed, then leave a comment down below with the stocks you'd like analyzed, subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and we'll get to it as soon as we possibly can.